Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging, then remove any external battery so you won't risk shorting. Once done, set a static-free mat and collect a microfiber cloth, 70–90% isopropyl alcohol, compressed air, a small Phillips, and a plastic spudger. Make the first actionable move. Blow the vents with short 1–2 second bursts from 6 to 8 inches while tilting the chassis so debris dislodges and falls out. This clears loose dust quickly and keeps you from spreading dirt into the internals. Once the back panel is off, you'll continue by removing screws in order and lifting the cover with a plastic spudger to avoid clips snapping. Then address the complex middle steps. Hold the fan so it can't spin, use short compressed air bursts, and a soft brush to remove dust from the blades and heatsink fins. Work from the heatsink outwards. If the thermal paste looks dry or cracked, clean the CPU and heatsink with isopropyl, and apply a pea-sized amount of fresh paste before reassembling. You finish by reseating every cable and connector, replacing the back panel and screws in the reverse sequence, then reconnecting the battery and powering on to confirm fans spin and the system posts. Make sure to wipe the chassis and screen with a damp microfiber and isopropyl on persistent smudges, and clean the keyboard with a thin brush plus short air bursts. If the laptop fails to post, try removing the CMOS battery briefly or reseating ribbon cables. Often a loose connector is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.